other tree topper kit. So I'm just fluffing out all of those stems as well. So we're starting off with this pick. So yeah, on this pick, it does have this little bow right here, and it's kind of in the way. So I'm going to cut this off. You don't have to cut this off if you don't want to. But it's in the way of when I layer all the stuff on there. So starting off with the red and green elf legs, and then just sticking 2 stems in. And then I added my 2 red stems. Yeah, look how pretty that looks already, just like that. But then I'm adding the 2 ball sprays in as well.
Get ready to squeal.
So adding those stems right in. This you'll see how everything it's flat on the back. So if your tree is front facing, you would just stick this in there and call it a day. Call it a day. If you wanted to decorate the back of your tree, you would need 2 of these tree kits. And then just zip tying these together. Now I'm gonna make probably an 8-loop bow with this one.
Okay.
With some extra long tails. So then I'm just pinching it, making a loop.
This
Pinch,
one.
twist.
She was home yesterday. Bad news, Jordan.
What?
Mom's Christmas tree was delivered.
Why is that big?
Yes, I'm going home on Monday.
Listen, worst news. It's too big for her house, so we
Hold
get
on.
to use it.
So we're gonna redo this tree in the foyer.
Are you serious?
Surprise!
Wait, for real? For real?
For real.
It's
But-
too big for her house?
Yeah.
But it's not too big for
Her
kids.
ceilings are just under 11 feet, and we ordered a 12-foot tree.
On purpose?
No.
I mean,
Looks like we got some.
I mean,
Looks like we got some work cut out for
So
us.
did you have to reorder her a tree?
yeah.
That's okay. It's a slimline flock.
Yeah. I think it'll look good right there.
Yes.
And just take up a lot less space. More
It's gonna
space
be
for
gorgeous.
Amazon boxes.
So
Poor Jordan, trying to get through. He's trying to get through his tree topper like you guys.
I love decorating Christmas trees, so no problem with me, y'all. So I did do an 8-loop bow with 2 long tails. But y'all, look how pretty that ribbon looks. I love this ribbon.
I do too.
So then just adding that bow in, and y'all look how pretty that looks. So you would just get this, and you see the trunk of the tree. Just tie that in. This poor tree topper is bigger than this.
Use the branches to tie it in.
I do use the branches, or if you really want it secure, you can always use wire zip ties. Just be careful when you're cutting if you're using a pre-lit tree. So then I get my tail like this. And using those pine branches. And then you can curl them. Okay?
do you have them separated out?
Yeah.
Oh. I just have to check.
So something like that, y'all.